In this video, I'll show you how to fix your TCL Roku TV in case it's lagging or it's very slow to get and launch any apps or even go through the menus. So there's two different tricks I want to show you today. Let's start with the easiest of them. Take your remote control, press the home button. Okay, now wait about 5 seconds. Next, we'll need to do a combination on the remote control, and you'll need to press these buttons quickly, one after another one. So let me demonstrate. You'll need to press 5 times the home button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then once the up button, and then twice the rewind button, and twice the fast forward button. Let me demonstrate so it makes more sense. So over here, I'm on the home screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once here, twice this button, twice this button. Wait a few seconds. It will even freeze during a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Just be patient. Don't touch anything at this point. The TV is frozen and this is normal. I'm just waiting. It will shut down by itself. Again, don't touch anything because it will power back on by itself. And once this is done, you'll be able to use it and hopefully the lag will disappear by itself. It's just another way to clear the cache, so the memory behind. Nothing will be deleted, don't worry, it will just run better. And the TV, and for this other solution, the TV can actually stay turned on. Go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket or the power bar if it's connected to a power bar. Like that. Leave it 5 minutes, and during this time find the power button that is located under the TV. Mine is here. You see there is a power button right over here. I know it's hard to see, but there is one. Keep it pressed during 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, release the button, and if 5 minutes has passed since your TV has been disconnected, go ahead and connect it back. Then what you need to do is to power back on your TV using the button that is located under it. Do not use the remote control. Okay, press once on that button, the TV will power back on and hopefully the lag will be gone. If one of these solutions worked, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you have any other solutions, type it as well. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.